Now, this is looking at a micro view based on some psychosocial DX data. You can see there that as an outcome to a survey, an organisation can quickly identify where they think their blind spots are, where they need to improve, and where they can leverage things that are working really well. So here are some examples of some real data. You can see on the left-hand side, there's a spider graph showing the dimensions of where organisations may wish to focus based on their own individual results. Cognitive task demand continues to be a real struggle for a lot of organisations, particularly around work conflict. And then around those organisational factors, social factors, and other areas that psychosocial plays out, really understanding where to play there. As part of diagnosing, it's also important to understand the impact it has on specific genders, positions, business units, etc. So you can understand where to focus your attention. This is a really good example here where you can see the results based on business units, vary depending on the nature of the results, and the outcome that it has then on the worker, be it on leave intention, pain, sleep, or engagement, then also helps you understand what sort of strategy you might want to deploy as well to support your strategy.